Hey guys, what's up? This is Shuri from eGadgets for you, and in this video, guys, have you ever wondered that whether you are transferring some files from your MacBook Pro to your pen drive or to your external drive and it does not copy or it does not move and it shows you that particular symbol which actually prohibits you or prevents you from copying or moving your files from your MacBook Pro to your external drive? So if that is the case, this video will particularly help you out and give you the solution how to fix that and make sure that all your files are copied or moved from your MacBook Pro to your external drives. So without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, now you can see over here the one that says my passport. This is my external hard drive that I've attached to this particular MacBook Pro, and of course you see that this is my external hard drive. And now what I want to do is that, let me just keep it open actually over here. Now what I want to do is that I just want to move this particular file and this folder to this external hard drive, as you can see. Now what I need to do is that I'll just drag it over here, and you see that when I drag it over here it says that it cannot copy. You get that particularly not applicable sign over here, as you can see. Now if I actually copy also, like over here, what I can do is I am right clicking on this particular thing and I'll just click on this copy part, and over here I come over here, I right click on this particular external hard drive, and you see that there is no paste option also. Even if I do a command C and do a command V over there, it doesn't work. So if you are facing with this particular issue, then 100% chances are that this particular external drive, whether be a pen drive, whether be an external hard disk, is being partitioned with an NTFS. Let me show you what it is. Right click on this particular external drive, and over here you will see that get info. You go to this get info, and once you're in that, you see that yes, the format that has been done is NTFS. Now this means that this particular drive is only and only readable through the Windows laptop or Windows desktop. But for it to be readable and writable for the MacBook Pro, for the Mac OS, you need to actually change this format to extract. Let me just show you how to do that. Now before doing that particular process, what you need to do is that keep a backup of your external drive. Of course there may be some important stuffs of your drive over here, so I have actually already done that particular thing over here. The folder that says WD backup, it's a backup of my external drive that is over here. So now what I will do is that I'll go to this Siri search over here, the Spotlight search, and over here I'll just write disk utility. Now this is very important. It's a Western Digital hard drive that I'm using over here. This is my actual hard drive, and you see if you click on this WD unlocker, it's an unlocking software that is inbuilt in this particular hard drive. So I don't want to format or erase this particular partition. Let it be how it is be. So I'm just overlooking this particular thing, and I'll just go into my passport. This is my external drive. You see it's a 2 TB external drive. I've used 300 gigs over here, and I have free 1.7 TB over here. Now the thing is that what I have to do is that I have to erase and make a partition. Now since I have to erase it, so it means all the contents of this particular disk will be erased. So that is the reason backup is very, very important. Select my external drive. In my case it says my passport, so this is my external drive. Remember, I'm not doing anything with this particular thing because it's an unlocking software that is embedded in the hard drive. I don't want to mess with that particular thing. So I just go over here and click erase. Now once I click erase, you see you can give your name over here. You can name your hard drives any names that you want. So now this is the most important thing over here. See, there are several formats available. Now what you need to make sure is that you select exFAT. Now by selecting exFAT, what it will do is that it will make your drive readable and writable for both your Windows and your Mac OS laptops or desktops. So yes, you need to select exFAT. Go ahead and click on erase. Yeah, it's running, erasing, operation successful, and you click on done. So now when you go to my passport, you see that yes, everything is actually wiped off. Now once it's done, it will ask you that whether you want to use this particular hard disk drive as a backup to your MacBook Pro. It depends upon you. If you want to use your hard drive as a backup disk of your MacBook Pro, you can go ahead and select use as backup disk. Now remember, If you select use as backup disk, then that means the memory, the internal memory of your MacBook Pro, in my case it's a 500 gigs machine, I'm using MacBook Pro over here, so 500 gigs of space will be allocated from this external hard drive to be used as a backup of this MacBook Pro. That 500 gigs, I cannot use it for any purposes whatsoever. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that, but I won't do it because I already have a separate 500 gigs of disk that I use as a backup disk for this MacBook Pro. So I'm just selecting don't use. Now once this is done, let us just close it and open this my passport part over here, and now I'll go ahead and try to copy this over here, and you see that it's copying, and it's copying perfectly 2 and 4. Even if I want to move from here to here, it's doing it. So yes, it will replace because it's the same name for a folder over there. So yes, it's working that way as well. So this solves your purpose, and hope so this video was helpful for you. If you have liked this video, consider liking and sharing with your friends and family. Stay subscribed and turn on the notification bells, because very soon much more interesting tech updates are coming to this particular channel. So that will be it guys for this particular video. Bye for now.